Hi everybody, I am Anamika, your educator. On the behalf of Multi Edu Hub, the exam is coming. Exam is knocking on the door. So at that time, I am always with you. Anamika ma'am, always with you. So today our subject is math and our topic is time and work. Please join with me. I'm waiting for 1 minute. After that, I will start my class. তাহলে কতক্ষণ জয়েন হবে এসব আগে করবো গ্রুপে শেয়ার করো ফেসবুকে যতগুলো বন্ধ শুধু অঙ্কিতকে ছাড়া জয়েন কর কেউ নেই Please join with me. Okay. What is time and work? When we are do some work, we need some time. The relationship between time and work, today's our topic is this one. And I'll teach you how to solve all the maths. Suppose in that process, in that chapters, we use unitary method also. So suppose, first I tell this one, basics, then I start the math. Suppose A completed a work, one work, 5 days. Then in these types of maths, what you are doing? In 1 day, how many parts A completed? First to find that part. So how can I write in this way? You started the maths. 5 days completed equal to how many work is there? There here the work is 1. So I can write 1 work. So 1 day completed how many part of the work? It is unitary method. Where in the unitary method, where we write 1, in the down of that number, upside number always divide. So I write 1/5 part. Then one question is coming. I explain this one first. 5 days एक कोई पूरा वर्क कंप्लीट किया तो एक दिन में कितना करेंगे? ऑब्वियसली कम करेंगे. कम करने का मीनिंग क्या होगा? फ्रैक्शन में आएगा 1/5 पार्ट. Clear? Now I will start the main maths. There are different types of math. First 1 by 1 we do and then go to the complicated maths. A alone can do our work in 10 days. In 10 days. And B alone do the work 15 days. How many days? How many days A and B together do the same work? Together do the same work. क्वेश्चन क्या है? एक कोई काम है, ए 10 डेज में कंप्लीट किया, दो सो फर्स्ट टू मार्क द कीवर्ड्स, कीवर्ड मार्क करना है, 10 डेज में कंप्लीट किया. इफ बी कंप्लीटेड द वर्क अलोन तो कितना डेज में करेंगे वो? 15 डेज में करेंगे. बट व्हाट्स द क्वेश्चन? थर्ड कीवर्ड ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इज all together, means A and B jointly do the work. How many times they need? This is our question. So one by one you do the maths. Number 1. In 10 days A completed equal to 1 work. Here there is no work, 2 work, 3 work, 5 work. So I take it 1 work. 1 work means full work. In one, it is now we apply unitary method. Mean one day what part of the A completed? First you find out this. In 1 day A completed 1 by 10 part. Now accordingly you find out the B. So you please do the B part alone. But one more thing. Sometimes what's happen? Kids step jump. You can step jump when it is come in the MCQ. At that time you can step jump. But others if it's come in the main math, don't do it. Don't step jump. Okay? 1 days. One by 51. Next, what is our third condition? A and B together do the work. So, 1 day A and B, how much part together do? First you find out this one. A plus B together one day do. क्या करना है? 1 by 10 and 1 by 15 you add it. Add कीजिए. 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. Now what you are do? 10 and 15 LCM find out. 5, 2 and 3. So 5 into 2 into 3, it is 13. You can do it alone, means without LCM. In the mind you can do this one, but it is a live classes, so step by step I do, because so many kids can't do this one part also. So 30 divided by 10, it is 3. 3 into 1 means 3. Then 30 divided by 15, it is 2. 2 into 1. 1 is upper side numerical part always multiply. So 2. It is 5 by 30. Now let it simplify. 1 by 6. 1 by 6 part, they completed one day. Now, last line. What is our questions? How many days A and B together do? How many days they need? कितने दिन का जरूरत होगा अगर they jointly काम करेंगे? तो एक दिन में क्या करना है? they एक 1 by 6 पर jointly कर रहा है. Okay? So total part they can do 1 divided 1 by 6. 1 into 6 by 1 means 6 days. Check it. Full total एक दिन में कितना किया 1 by 6 पर. So 1 days में full कम रिवर्स में लिखेंगे तो क्या लिखेंगे 1 by 6 part किया 1 day. So total work is 1. So total work divided by 1 divided by 1 by 6. Clear? If there is any doubt, please write in the chat box. I will repeat it one more time. Completed, you understand? Now I will go to the next dance. To complete a work, A takes 50% more time than B. If together they take, if together they take 18 days to complete the work, to complete the work how much time shall be take to do. क्या दिया? क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग क्या है? एक कोई काम है, बी आई डू नॉट नो हाउ मेनी डेज इट इज नीडेड, बट क्या बोला? बी को जितना टाइम जितने दिन लगा, ए को उसको 50% मोर टाइम लगा. मीन्स अगर बी को लगेगा 10 दिन, ए को क्या लगेगा? 10 दिन तो लगेगा ही, और भी 50% मोर, मतलब और भी 5 दिन ज्यादा लगेगा. तो क्या बोला? इफ ए एंड बी टुगेदर वर्क, दो अगर ए एंड बी ज्वाइंटली काम करा तो उसको पूरा काम खत्म करने में 18 डेज लगा. तो बी को कम करने में कितना टाइम लगा? हाउ मेनी टाइम्स नीड फॉर बी? फर्स्ट टू मार्क द कीवर्ड्स. Keyword is, now keywords is this one, 50% is more. Next one, together they do, it is 18 days. And our question is, how many days for B? B take how much days? ठीक है? Clear? First you mark the keywords. Keywords क्या है? mark कर लिया. फिर एवं क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? I do not know how many days B need. So I can write in this way. Let B need X days. X day का time लगा. According the question, what is the question? A takes 50% more time. A takes 50% more time. तो क्या होगा? फर्स्ट क्या है? What is the B time? First you write this is X days and 50% is more. So you can write 50 by 100 X. 1 by 2. X plus let's check this part. If any doubt, tell me. Write in the chat box. I will repeat it again. क्या किया? According the questions, A का A need more times. How many more times? 50%. माने you need B times plus more times. So what I am doing? I write first B times plus 50% is more. So I remove the percentage sign and find out what is 50 by 100 into X. Then it by X by 2. Make it simplify and this one 3X by 2. After this one is completed, full days कितने लगा? B को लगा X days and A को लगा 3X by 2. And what I am telling in the first math, in the time and work math, first two unitary method use, you find out the one day what they are doing. One day A doing and one day B doing. First complete this line. You do alone, then you check the board. I converted into 1 days how many part they can do. I find out 1 by x and 2 by 3x. Okay. Now altogether how many days? 1 day how many part they can do. First find out this part. What I am telling? A part and B part addition. I explain this part one more time. Then some kids send the message. This is x plus x by 2. I make it 50 by 100. Make it simplify. It is 1 by 2 means x by 2. Here there is x. X by 2. Now I take the 2 LCM. Then 2x plus x means 3x by 2. Now do 1 day. Complete the math up to this part. Completed this one. This is different. Okay. Now I wrap the upper part and do this one. I found out A and B together 1 day how many part they do? 5 by 3x. Now according the question they complete the full work complete 18 days. So 1 day they complete. According the questions they completed 18 days full work. 18 days full work. 1 work. So they completed 1 day is equal to 1 by 8 part. 1 by 8 part 18 part करेंगे. Because I find out this one 1 day what they are doing. I find out 5 by 3x. And according to the question, 1 day what they are doing? 1 by 18 they completed. So 5 by 3x equal to 1 by 18. Now I give you 1 minute time. You complete the math. Cross multiplication and write the values. And please write the answer in the chat box. Please write the answer in the chat box. answer is 30 days. How can I do? First, I take x and in that way I make an equation. With x basis I make an equation. It is 5 by 3x. And according to the question what they are telling, 18 days they completed full work. So what they are doing? Less part. It is 1 by 18 part. And this part is equal. And I solve this x1. Please complete the maths. Is there any doubt? If not, then I go to the next math. But all time and work not come according the work like as 1%, A%, B%, not this one. And that type math also coming. This way, full class you do and then you complete it. Understand what they are doing. A alone can finish a work in 10 days. In 10 days. B alone finish our 15 days. If they work together and finish it then out of total wages rupees 3,000 A will get how much? A will get how much? एक काम है A finish the work 10 days B completed the same work of 15 days, but they are not do it alone. They do it join together. And at the end of in the maths, I'm not telling anything how many days they need, because last 2 days you do, I tell the complete total days. But what now I'm telling, they completed the work and they get their money. It is 3,000. तो A को कितना पैसा मिलेगा, ठीक है? तो first what I'm doing, keyword I mark 10 days. B completed 15 days, but and the total wages is this one, this 3 work, and the time and work. What I am telling, every math first you find out the 1 days how many part they completed. First you find out these 2 parts. Okay, start to do. In 10 days, A completed 1. In 1 days, A completed 1/10 part. Clear? Because time and work, you know, first unitary methods you find out the 1 days what they are doing. I completed this part. Next you go to the B part. In 15 days, B completed 1. In 1 days, B completed 1/15 part. One by 15 part. क्वेश्चन है, आप सोचिए, A को A 1/10 पार्ट किया, B 1/15 पार्ट किया, तो जो जैसा काम करेंगे वेजेस तो उसको ऐसा ही होना चाहिए ना. जो ज्यादा काम करेंगे उसका पैसा ज्यादा होना है, जो कम काम करेंगे उसका पैसा कम होना है. तो now you find out the, how can you find out the their amount. We know in that cases, recall it. It is related to ratio. If you know the ratio, in that the ratio math, what I am doing, I give the total amount and give the ratio. You find out the ratio. According to the ratio, you find out the wages. So in that cases, we also first find out the working ratio. A is to B, A का क्या है? 1/10 is to 1/15. Okay? How can you do? Because without ratio we can't find out the proper amount. तो first 10, 15 के LCM find out करो. It is a fraction, so I remove the fraction part. Okay? $30. 1/10 in 30 is to 1/15 into 30. Why I need this one? Because it is ratio coming. 1 day what they are doing, their working ratio is coming. But in that case, it is a fraction format. In the fraction format, it is difficult to solve it. So I remove the fraction part. It is 3:2. Clear? How can you do this one? First find out the LCM and multiply all the two fraction individually by the LCM. Now what I am writing? What is our total amount? Total amount rupees 3,000. I need, what is our concept? Only A will get how many part, not B. So I find out only the A part. A will get, how can you write? First you write the total amount. Total amount. Then what you will do? Multiply sign. What is the A part? A part is 3. So I write the 3. And down what you are doing? The addition of 2 ratio. 3 plus 2, 5. I tell it one more times. First what I am doing? Total amount, right? Because in the question their total amount is rupees 3,000. So I write this one. I find out only A part, not B part. So how can I write? First write total amount 3,000. Then multiply. What is the A ratio? A ratio is 3. So I write the 3 part up. And by down means do 2 ratio, addition of 2 ratios. So I write it 5. Now make it simplify. It is 600. It is rupees 1800. It's our answer. It's our answer. Please give a big star for that math. Okay? If there is any question, please write in the chat box so that I can understand what you are understanding. Then I will repeat it one more times. Now, I will give a different type of maths. Two pipe can fill a tank in 20 and 30 minutes respectively. If both pipes are open, Then the tank will be filled in how much time? Then the tank will be filled in how much time? First, I show. There is a tank. There is a tank. One tap is there. It is 20 minutes. Another one is 30 minutes. First I tell what's the meaning. अगर एक टैंक है, ए वाला नहीं है, ओनली ए वाला ओपन है, ए वाला ओपन है, अगर एक ओपन रहेंगे इट्स नीड ओनली 20 मिनट्स टू फिल द टैंक। और इस अगर नाउ इट इज क्लोज, ए ओपन है तो इट फुल टैंक ओपन कंप्लीट होने के लिए चाहिए 30 मिनट्स टाइम। ओके, अगर इंडिविजुअली one tap is open, but the question is that pipes are open, both pipes means both taps or both pipes are open at a time, means इधर से भी पानी है इधर से भी पानी है, at a time ज्यादा पानी आ रहा है, तो अभी तो एक टैंक फुल होने के लिए 20 मिनट्स 30 मिनट्स कुछ भी नहीं लगेगा, क्योंकि दो पाइप एट अ टाइम काम कर रहा है। इन द टाइम एंड वर्क में दो टाइप का मैथ्स आता है, एक नंबर ऑफ परसेंट से मैथ्स आता है एंड अनदर टाइप्स ऑफ मैथ्स इज दिस वन, पाइप से आता है, बट द प्रोसीड्योर इज टोटली सेम। नाउ फर्स्ट व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, what I am telling, in the time and work unitary method apply, you find in 1 minute, 1 day, 1 hour, how many part of work they doing. Okay, so here we write fast pipe. Okay, first pipe fill the tank within 20 minutes. First pipe within 20 minutes fill one tank. First pipe within 1 minute fill 1/20 part. Why I Can you tell me why I wrap that first line? This line also right and this line also right. Because in my first 2-3 maths I tell you unitary method, and where the 1 is coming it is as a division. So for that reason I have no complication, I can write this way. But what's happened, you are confused. So for that reason I write in this way. Second pipe, one tank. Please complete this part. I am feeling thirsty. Please complete this part. What they are doing? 2 pipe at a time open. So at a time what they are fill, first you find out this part. Together they can fill 1/20 plus 1/30. Find out the LCM. One by 12. 1/12. Now what you are doing? What I am telling? 1/12 means 1 minute. Now full completed how many times? Okay? One by 12 part fill equal to 1 minute. So one part means whole part. One part means whole. Whole part fill 1/12 1 into 12 by 1 into 12 minutes. देखो एक बार ध्यान से देखो, पहले एक ओपन था, इट्स नीड्स 20 मिनट, फिर और एक में पाइप है, इट इज नीड 30 मिनट्स, मीन्स एक में 20 लगेगा, एक में 30 लगेगा, बट व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग, दे ओपन एट अ टाइम, दे जॉइंटली वर्क, इन दैट केस में क्या होगा, टाइम कम हो जाएगा. Look, check the answer, it is 12 minutes and 12 minutes is less than 20 and 30 minutes. Okay? If there is any doubt, please write in the chat box. Okay? Next math. Another types of mass also coming. In that cases, what's happened? Two pipes working, but one is going the water outside and one is full. In this way, the question will come. So please keep quiet, okay, and focus on the board. If you want a good marks, score a good marks, clear your all doubt, join the class. And at the time of class, please focus on the board. Okay? A tap can fill a cistern in 8 hours. And another tap can empty the full cistern in 16 hours. If both the tap are open, the time taken to a cistern. Is how much? पहले I draw the picture. This is a cistern. There is a tap. You put the tap, it is full. Water is can fill it 8. 8 hours need to fill it. Water is come inside. Another tap is there. When you put it, what's happened? All the water goes down outside. It is outside need 16 hours. Means सिस्टम में 2 पाइप है. एक पाइप से पूरा सिस्टम वाटर फिल हो जाएगा और एक पाइप से जब आप वेन ओपन करोगे ऑल द वाटर जो है सिस्टम का निकल जाएगी. तो व्हाट्स द क्वेश्चन ना, इट इज द कीवर्ड. फर्स्ट यू मार्क द कीवर्ड 8 hours 6 hours and the both tap. But अभी क्या हुआ, you open both the tap, then how many times it is needed to fill it. Okay. First you fill 8 hours, fill equal to 1 means cistern. Full cistern you completed 1. 1 hours fill 1/8 part. And one more thing. Here one is open and one is closed tap. एक के लिए एंट्री होगा वाटर का, एक से निकल जाएंगे. This 2 tap is working here. So अगर this one second tap if you close, तो first tap से 8 hours लगेगा. But what is the condition? It is also open. It is also open. So in that case time more. Time 8 hours से ज़्यादा लगेगा क्योंकि एक टाइम this वाला tap also open. Secondly, (16 hours empty equal to full. Empty equal to full, system empty हो जाएगा. So 1 hour empty 1/60 part. What I am telling according to the questions, both tap are open means both tap work jointly. So first you write this sentence. Both taps are open. So they work. ये क्या चीज है? एक में इन हो रहा है, एक से आउट हो रहा है. In that cases, their actions are opposite. So, when they work together, they are not add, they are subtract. I tell it one more time. In that cases, in that two tabs work at a time, but two tabs function is opposite. One filled, another one is empty. Means function is opposite. So in that cases, when they work together, their part is not add, it is subtract. Okay? Now I subtract it. 1 by 8 minus 1 by 16. 16 is LCM. 2 minus 1 is 1 by 16. 16 part together work in 1 hour. One by 16 part fill equal to 1 hour. Full part fill equal to 1 divided 1 by 16 equal to 1 into 16 by 1 means 16 hours. Now check it. 16 hours. Check it. What I am telling. When the one tap is open, it is full the cistern. It is 8 hours. But what I am telling, when there is a two tap. One is can full the cistern and another one is empty. So when both is working, the time need more. And you check it, the time is 16 hours. And first one, when the full, only when the full tap is open, it is 8 hours. But when both tap is working at a time, it is 16 hours. It is more than time. Okay? Hope your time and work chapter little bit clear. If there is any doubt, please write in the comment. And if you like my classes, please subscribe my channel, Multi Edu Hub. And every week I will come and clear your all doubts and everything. For online and offline classes, please contact this number 9930400683. It's my number for online and offline classes. And from March, class 9 will be start, because within this month everybody's class 8 class finish. So from March the 9th class will be start. It's online and offline. If anybody interested, please send me a message personally, and I take the classes both math and science, is physics, chemistry, biology and maths. Okay, bye everybody, and thanks everybody who joined in my class.